Hello, what's up, my good people? Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on the time you are watching this video. Hope everyone is fine. It is Malu here again. I'm here with my friend. Oh, do you have a channel?
I got a YouTube channel by the name of Clickbait. Actually, I'm a rapper. I do trap music and rap music. You can follow, subscribe on my shit. They ain't posted something here, but I'm not doing soon. Okay.
How is this far on now?
I think I'm good. They don't know much for that shit. But I know I'm gonna get very soon. By the next year coming on, I'm gonna be good.
Okay guys, just go check on Lil Zeki. Subscribe, comment and also share.
Okay, too much love guys.
Okay, thank you. Guys, as you know, tomorrow is a Christmas. I want to sing that song of Christmas with my friend here, Zeki, Lil Zeki. He's a musician. Okay, go.
Mary's born child.
That one I don't know, my friend. We just sing that one.
Which one?
The college. Merry Christmas. How do they sing that song?
What the fuck? I don't understand.
Oh,
I don't understand any type of song. I just know
there.
Mary's born child.
Let's go.
Baby Jesus Christ was born on Christmas Day.
And Happy New Year.
Oh,
you know that one?
Yeah.
Let's go. Yeah.
Mary's born child, Jesus Christ was born on Christmas.
I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Let's go once more. I wish you a Merry Christmas. 1, 2, 3, let's go. I wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Actually, it's and a happy 2026.
Okay.
Yeah.
A good year.
A good year, nice one.
I think it's a prosper year.
Yeah, we're gonna finish the year in style, then we're gonna turn around and start the new year in style.
So guys, as you can see, that is Taranta Stadium. What do you call that?
Raila International
Raila
Stadium.
International Stadium. Okay guys. So guys, continue watching. Subscribe, comment and share.
Big love.
Yeah, big love. Always. So my friend, it is someone not good with my friend here because we are not at our home. We are at Nairobi. Where we are now, my friend?
In the city.
So we are just working here.
It's all about money, nigga.
Yeah. We see there's no need of going home, then coming back. So we just work.
We got a party in this fucking shit.
Yeah.
We got a party in the city.
Okay.
That's from tomorrow, actually. Starting the party today, 24th.
But you can't imagine. We can't imagine tomorrow we just go to work.
Nah. I'm a party nigga. I'm going to party.
You.
I'm going to party.
You.
No,
But me, I will just go to
I
work.
cannot work for the rest of the shit, nigga. For the fucking full year now. No.
But this thing is not all about the time. It's a matter of time. We just work for the part time. Then after that, we just party.
Anyway, guys, they say the money. I think a guy will say that like the beaches and parties are always gonna be there.
Okay.
So we gotta stack the money, nigga. I no need to party this time. I ain't got no stash. I gotta stash my cash.
You know, here we are only looking for money. As you understand, in the city, life is somehow hard.
Stash the shit.
Yeah,
Make some investment. Make some, what we call it, profit investment. You gotta make some savings. Yeah, you gotta make it for the better tomorrow.
Okay. So as you understand, life in the city is somehow tricky. So you just wake up and look for money. Nobody will work for you. It's you and yourself.
Money, we are far by a bitch.
In
Talking
fact.
to women is right on a group.
So my friend here, maybe you just give them
Yeah, like tomorrow I'm give you some funny freestyle. Very one freestyle at this fucking time.
But you just try here one.
Yeah. No. This one no good.
No cool.
Right now we on the fucking road.
Yeah.
The fucking government working too long.
Yeah.
I cannot do on the road.
Yo, this is guys, you wonder the way he's talking. He's a nigga, man. You understand?
Yeah. Fucking nigga.
Yeah, fucking nigga.
No, some real nigga. No cap shit in my rap.
Yeah. So okay, guys. I wish you have Merry Christmas, and also as you are waiting for that next year, 2026, a prosperity year.
You better start the cash.
Yeah, it's a prosperity year. So guys, kindly subscribe, comment, like and share so that we can grow together as YouTube family. So today also I'm gonna show you the Ngong Highway. Being today is 24th of December 2025. Waiting for the tomorrow Christmas Day. As you can see, people are just here moving from Karen to town CBD. You see? Those are cars. Oh, have you seen that? Have you seen that?
That nigga tripping nigga.
By the way, man is good. Man is everything, my friend. Although they say God first, then other things follow. No, we say as human beings, we say after God, man is everything. After God, man is everything.
They say money is the only thing, but money is the only thing.
Because as you know, without money here in the world, you can't survive.
Can do,
nothing you can do. Be it food, be it anything, it's all about money.
Totally, there ain't
Also, people
you
can see here, these are business. Show them.
Checking.
As you know, you understand, these are flowers. And those are pots or what? Pots for flowers. And they're like ducks.
If you need some flowers.
Let me show you something. What have you seen there? You call it a pig?
Oh, understand.
A cock. But that is a butterfly. I don't understand me. I don't understand, my friend. So guys, as you can see here, these are pots. These are business.
Actually, for stocking flowers.
Yeah.
You can do it and make a dick around your home.
What is this?
This one are called
Mukwaju. Okay guys, that is Mukwaju, the way my friend has say, because even I don't know the Mukwaju.
I understand this shit.
I don't understand, my friend.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't understand. The Mukwaju. Mukwaju. Okay, let's call it Mukwaju. Because me, I don't understand, my friend.
Yeah.
You guys?
Mukwaju.
Aye, my friend, I don't understand Mukwajuju.
You understand?
Yo, you know.
Yeah.
So guys, you don't show my people, my audience, the freestyle.
The freestyle will be coming soon.
Yeah. But guys, the best thing is you keep on subscribing, comment, like and share, and also just go and check to Rizeki.
Niggas. So we all about getting money, nigga. So I'm gonna say we gotta start this shit, nigga. Ain't no fucking copy my rap, nigga. I'ma tell you the shit, nigga. It's all about trap and rap. Subscribe to my YouTube channel at Lil Zeki, nigga. That's how we gonna get it. I need a lot of support from you guys. And then we're gonna be pushing on. So I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna give you 10 seconds, few words in part of this freestyle. So let's get it, like.
Okay guys.
Say I gotta get money, I gotta get money, I gotta get rich. Said I gotta get money, I gotta get money.
I'm gonna tag this. I'm gonna tag the rim on this video. I'm gonna tag this rim of the I'm gonna check the
freestyle, new freestyle.
Make sure you proceed.
Yeah, we gotta head over.
I'm gonna tag him. check the channel, subscribe so that you can grow as a family. So guys, the main thing here, I was already wishing you a good and happy Christmas as you are waiting for the next year, 2026, a prosperity year. Guys, go subscribe first, comment and share. So guys, wow, look at that guy, Suzuki. So guys, we are crossing the highway.
Go the fucking road.
Yeah, the Ngong what? Check discovered the machine.
Highway.
The Ngong highway.
Always heading for Roscoe's.
Evening hours.
Yeah.
And have you ever realized that this road, this?
Over here.
Oh, wonderful.
Check. Today they know jam, so we're gonna cross too early. There's no jam. There ain't a lot of cars.
Hey, we have been waiting, guys. We want to go to the other side. And have you realized that people have gone town? Many people have gone town.
People are ready to celebrate. A lot of people have crossed down from
Yeah.
the town to their rural homes for the Christmas holiday. So we didn't know a lot of people in town.
Yeah. Of course, yeah. You understand?